Hello guys, welcome back to the Tutorial Tips. In this video we're going to talk about how to check dislike button on YouTube. As you know that a new update has been rolled out on the YouTube. So as you can see, I have taken one of our most popular videos which is uploaded in 2020 with around 1.2 million views, and as you can see I'm only able to see like button but there is no dislike button. So the question is how to see the dislike button, which usually used to happen in YouTube before. So I think it's a new update or something, they just have changed it. So you can get to know this on the video of your favorite YouTuber or something, you will be able to know. So to do this, what you have to do is you just have to go over here in the Google and you just have to search for YouTube dislike extension. So I'll be providing a link in the description to this extension, so you can directly go for this one. And as you can see, when you click on this is how it looks like, and you just have to go for add to Chrome. So just go for add extension, and now as you can see that the return YouTube dislike has been added to Chrome. So you just have to close this, right? And now what you have to just have to go to the video, and now as you can see there is no change has been done so far. So what you have to do is you just have to refresh this. So when you do a refresh, as you can see, now we have dislike over here, right? So the like is around 5.4k. sorry, I'll go back. So now as you can see, the like is around 16k and the dislike is around 1.2k, and this is how you can get to know the dislike on any YouTube videos right now on your favorite YouTubers and how to do this up. So before winding up this is how you can do this up, and I hope this video is helpful and the instruction is very clear. So I'll be providing link in the description so to those to add the extension. And also we have a website named Get Tutorial Tips on the same name, so you can visit our website Get Tutorial Tips. You can refer on many more articles like Android games, iPhones and iPads, social media, Windows, etc. So also you can also visit our channel Get Tutorial Tips. So I'll be giving link in the description, and also we have our second channel as well as third channel. You can visit all these, and if you find this video helpful as well as this information, you can subscribe our channel, and also I request you subscribe. So that's all about it, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.